This is Groovy Space, and today we got an abandoned unit here in Hoppers Crossing, Victoria 3029. It's on the ground floor, and I'm showing you first of all, this is the loading area here. You park your car around here, under covered, so it's around here. And then the unit is here on the right side. It's the 5th unit on my right side. Hoppers Crossing in Victoria 3029. It's an abandoned storage for auction. And this is the unit. Now the size of this unit is 3 meter wide, 2 meter deep, and 3 meter high. Okay, we got a Sony Brava TV, 5.5 kilo hot point washing machine, front loader. We got couch, sofa. It's two types. There's one is a fabric one, and we got dining chairs here. We got a leather look. This is not real leather. You can see the material here. This peeling. Cane furniture. Now we can see there's a fridge there. You can see the back of the fridge. Okay. We got some weights here, exercise machine, punching bag, or it's called speed ball. Looks more like a punching bag. This one is a mirror here, full length mirror. We got some boxes in the back. Electrical appliance, kitchen electrical appliance. Some boxes in the back here. So, probably this is either an entertainment set or a yep, it's an entertainment unit. In that box they say is a Nora Tower speaker. I can see Christmas tree instead. Right. Once again, this is in Hoppers Crossing, Victoria 3029. Once sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. There's a $250 cash deposit. Once you empty the unit, we return you back the cash only deposit, $250, cash only. And if you come across any personal effect that is not sellable, photos or letters, mail, any documentation, even digital file, we appreciate we can leave it behind. There's no warranty or guarantee of any of the goods here. Nothing is tested. Okay. Once again, thank you for watching from Groovy Space.